Unlock the full potential of your YouTube TV subscription by sharing it with your loved ones. And here's exactly how to do it. First things first, you'll need to be the primary account holder of your YouTube TV subscription. Open up the YouTube TV app or head to the YouTube TV website on a computer. Locate your profile icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen, and give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the Account Management section. Within your settings, look for an option labeled Family Library or Manage Household. This is where all the magic of sharing happens. Click on this to proceed. Here, you'll see who currently has access to your YouTube TV. Since we're setting it up for the first time or adding new members, you'll look for an option to invite or add family member. This is where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to invite to share your YouTube TV account. Make sure it's the email address they use for their own Google account. They'll need a separate Google account to join your household. Once you've entered their email, hit the Send Invite button. Keep in mind that you can share your YouTube TV subscription with up to 5 additional household members, giving you a total of 6 users. The person you invited will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation. They simply need to click the link provided in the email and sign in to their Google account. Once they accept, they'll be able to access your YouTube TV subscription from their own devices. With their own personalized watch history and recommendations, it's a fantastic way for everyone in the family to enjoy their favorite live channels and on-demand content without needing multiple subscriptions. You can manage your household members at any time from this same Family Library or Manage Household section in your YouTube TV settings. You can remove members or invite new ones as needed. And just like that, you've successfully set up family sharing for YouTube TV. Enjoy!